Greetings and welcome to the channel. Finance with Objectives. The topic we will be talking about is financial trading. Have you ever wondered, what is financial trading? But, before getting into the subject of financial trading, you must subscribe to the channel, Finance with Objectives, so that you can receive the best topics on finance. What is financial trading? Financial trading is a new form of investment that has become more popular in recent years, thanks to technology. Financial trading is acquiring financial products at a low price to sell them later, at a higher price. Another modality focuses on selling these products when they are at a high value and buying them again when they have a lower cost. All these operations are carried out through an online platform. There are different types of financial trading. 1. Scalping. This is a type of investment in which different operations are opened and closed on the same day. 2. Day trading. It also implies opening and closing operations on the same day, but in this case not as quickly as it is done with scalping. 3. Directional trading. It is a type of medium-term trading that analyzes the trends of values. 4. Social trading. Social networks become the best allies for traders. From them, beginners relate to experts, so that they can replicate the movements of the most experienced and follow their recommendations. New technologies have made trading one of the most popular financial professions. This represents a huge opportunity, but it also causes unprepared people or those who do not follow adequate strategies to enter this field and may suffer losses. If you like finance, being a trader is an exciting profession and can give you great benefits. But don't forget, you'll need rigorous training and constant effort to achieve the success you seek.